Bushka, Bushka, I don't want my mama. Bushka, Bushka, I like karate.
Karate.
Everybody freeze!
Yeah, I got some.
Haley's dancing with Ellen. Mine. Turkey and ham. Olives, pickles, lettuce. What? No. No, I want it. How about half of it?
I need to eat something. I don't want to go and drink a whole bunch.
Hey, where are you going? That's good. It's so dark in here, Haley. Why don't you turn the light on? Please.
I like it. If you're going to dance, you commit to it, and I like it.
There you go. Now I can see you.
All right, on the show.
You gotta dance again.
To a good start, I'll tell you that. On the show, Academy Award winner Forrest
Boots
Whitaker
with the
is here.
fur.
Everything with the fuss.
I know.
You know, I called immediately when this show first came on the air. It's on Animal Planet. It's called Escape to Chimp Eden, and I don't know if you're watching it, if you've seen it at all. This guy who rescues these chimpanzees is here today,
Woo!
and I immediately came in and said, we have to have this guy on the show. He's in South Africa, but we have to get him here. He's the most amazing guy. I love him.
Yeah, that's cheese.
I admire him so much, and you're going to love him too. If you haven't seen the show, it's incredible. Eugene Cousins is here.
You gonna sing to Ellen? Haley?
Slide.
I thought you were gonna sing.
No.
No?
Have this song stuck in your head?
Yeah. Oh.
You know that song?
While they're here, the B-52s are here.
And our little dance star.
We caught 5. This is probably all years I've fished.
Woo!
We caught 5 huge bass today. I mean, bass that were this big, that were over 6 pounds. Big bass.
Are you breakdancing?
Eat fish like that. But I want you to, will somebody run this to the, can you take this? Yeah, I won't eat it. But I want someone to take that camera and get this right in. Is that possible?
Well, we gotta go to Walmart. I like how Grandma dances.
Get over here.
You didn't get that.
I guess I did. You gonna sing it?
I forgot my phone. Yeah, I knew you would.
Hey!
Thank you very